So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to draw a sea turtle with me? Yeah! I love sea turtles. They are so cute. I love how they have a shell and then they can swim underwater. Whoa! All right, first I'm gonna take this green marker and draw the shell. So I'm gonna draw a big curved line like that, and then another curved line right there. Woo! And then that looks like the shell, doesn't it? Yeah, shells are really hard. Up here, I'm gonna draw the neck and the head. Whoa! Perfect! And I'm gonna color in a circle for the eye, and then a smiley face. Yeah! All right, let's draw another curved line like this. Ooh, and another curved line like that. And 3 more curved lines right up there to complete the shell. And then we need to draw 4 squares for the legs. Well, actually, they're not legs. They're actually fins on sea turtles. Yeah, so then they can swim underwater. Wow, I love sea turtles, and I love drawing. If you want to draw with me some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!